Down for the adventure on any terrain, these sneakers by LOWA are a perfect asset. They feature a durable, waterproof, and breathable upper with a traditional lace-up closure for a secure and custom fit and a pull tab at the back of the ankle for assistance with on and off. One of the biggest features is the DynaPU midsole, which gives you great support and rebound to get the most out of your wear. Inside, there is a textile lining with a cushioned tongue and collar for comfort and a GORE-TEX waterproof lining to keep your feet cool and dry. There's also a removable footbed that is lightly padded with deep-heeled cups for comfort as well. It's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that has widespread lugs for traction on loose terrain.